Hi, and welcome to another ZarMoney training session. In this module, we'll be going over how to import your vendor list. Generally, we're going to want to do this when switching between accounting softwares. This way, we can import all of our vendors into ZarMoney at once. Okay, let's get started. From the upper right-hand corner, we're going to want to hover over the company preferences, which is the gear icon. Click, and there will be a left sidebar that pops up. We're going to want to scroll down to the Import-Export Data icon and click to expand. Vendors will be the second option down. From here, we're going to want to download our CSV sample file. This way, we'll know exactly how to format our own spreadsheet before importing. Okay, this is what the sample file looks like. We're going to want to mimic this in our own spreadsheet before uploading into ZarMoney. We're going to want to do this to make mapping the fields in ZarMoney to our columns in our spreadsheet even easier. It's important to note the balance column right here. If you have any outstanding balance with your vendors, you want to make sure that's noted next to the vendor name before importing so that the opening balance transfers along with the vendor. Okay, once you're done formatting your spreadsheet, you're going to want to save it as a CSV file. Back on our Import Vendor Data screen in ZarMoney, we're going to want to click Choose File. From here, we're going to choose our file and click Open. And then click Next in ZarMoney. Step 2 is mapping the columns of our spreadsheet to the fields in ZarMoney. Now, if we formatted our spreadsheet like the sample file, this step should be easy. Once it's mapped to your liking, click Next at the bottom of the screen. The final step is the Review screen, and this is just to make sure that your fields are mapped correctly before the final import. If everything's good, click Finish. Okay, now you will be able to view your vendors in the vendor list in ZarMoney. To do this, go to the top navigation bar and hover over Purchases. Click Expenses, and the Vendors tab will be right next to the Expense tab. And here you can view all of your vendors. Okay, that's all for this training session. For more help, visit us at ZarMoney.com.